Well, hello everybody, welcome to Coding 101. We're back at it again with another basic and simple exercise for you beginners out there to help you progress and just like do well in your programming tests and whatever. And I want to remind you that for many of you out there, it is exam seasons. So I do have a couple of tools that might help you guys ace your exams. I have videos in my YouTube channel that are likely to be some of the questions that appear in your exams, and I assure you that if not one or two or three, at least one of those questions or at least a style of that question is gonna come out in your exam. So it's very important that you check them out. So in today's episode, what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be let's just read the question, right? It says, assuming we have some email in the username at company.com format, please write a code to print the company name. So this is a very simple exercise. What they want you to do is that they want you to extract this company name right here, remove all these other things, and just like remain with company name. I think that's what they want to do. That's what they want you to do. So essentially, we're going to create a function. I'm going to call it company email company, and we're going to put email as the variable that represents the input. And essentially, what we're going to do is just we're going to say email dot split. It's a one-liner. I had done this before. This is why it's appearing, but obviously I didn't do it well. And so let me just explain to you first. What we're going to do is that we are going to, it's a one-liner once again. So what we're going to do is that we're going to split this string over here, and by splitting it we are turning it into an array. So we're going to split it into two sections, two parts, username and company name. So that means we're going to be using this @ sign to split the two names over here, the two strings, username and company name. Then after we split that, we're going to further on, we're going to split this company name.com into company name and com. That is when we can extract the company name. So now we're going to split it into username and company name.com, and we're going to just extract, because we have already splitted it over here. So now we're going to extract company name.com. It is like this on the 1th index. So we have extract. This is how we extract company name.com, and then we're going to further split it into two sections, and we're going to use this dot over here, this full stop or whatever you call it, to split company name and .com. And now that we have split that, it's easy for us to simply extract the company name, and we use the index to extract that company name, and that should do it. So let's just test it with this email right here, kutlo@companygood.com. So we should have company good. There you go. See, it's a very simple exercise with just one line. You know, when you want to like be very good at programming, your code should be very brief and straight to the point. You know, that's like the trick about programming. Your code should be brief and straight to the point. So this is a one-liner. You don't need to do so many things, and there you go. So I hope you understand, and I will see you next time on Coding 101.